Imagine you open a bank account and you're told that your account is fully FDIC insured up to 100K, so you can recover up to that amount in case something happens to the bank. The Aave safety module is a feature that works similarly to FDIC but for Aave. Users stake their Aave or ABPT tokens in the safety module to earn rewards while providing liquidity to a safety fund. The funds are there in case what is known as a shortfall event, which can happen when the market crashes too quickly, or the Aave contract gets hacked, or the price feed of an oracle gets hacked. If such an event happens, up to 30% of the funds in the safety module will be taken out to cover the deficit for the suppliers. You'll keep 70% of the funds, and Aave will issue new Aave tokens to sell at an open auction to recover the remaining losses, aka recovery insurance. This means that you can lose up to 30% of your funds staking in the safety module, so keep that risk in mind. You can find the safety module in the staking section of the Aave platform. Once you stake, you'll receive STK Aave tokens as a receipt, which you can redeem for the Aave after 10 days cooldown period.